Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Asad and you are watching technologyAsad. Today I am going to show you how to download Wondershare Filmora 10 and install it with crack. Let's get started without wasting time. I have given a link in description. When you click on the description given link, you will come to our website. If you don't know what is Filmora 10, you can read out from here. There is also any features written in the and the system requirements is also written. You can read out and download. Click on the download button. You will come to this site mega or click on the download button. I am not downloading it because I have already downloaded it. So before extracting the file, you must disconnect from the internet and also disable the antivirus and disable the Windows Defender. Came to your Windows Defender. I want only Windows Defender. Go to virus and create protections, manage settings, then disable real-time protection, cloud delivered protections, then automatic sample submission. Dismiss them, then close that window. Then right click on it, extract here. We will need a password, so go to our website. There is password given, or in the description there is also password. Paste the password, then close it and open the folder. Install the Filmora. Click on OK, then next. Then I have read and accept the agreement. Next. Then I have installed it. Tick off this join the user experience improvement program. Don't launch the button. Copy the file that are present on crack folder. Then go to your desktop. Then right click on the Wondershare Filmora 10. Open file location. Then paste the file. Then replace the files in the destinations. Now open the launch the Windows Filmora 10. Then you have done it. And if you like the video, then hit the like button and also subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So okay, bye.